Good morning, Good Squad. My name is Tiffany Smith, and this is the beginning of my Good Squad open casting video. I am creating this video so you can get to know me and you can get to know why I want to become a part of the Good Squad. Right now, I am on my way to physical therapy. I am a 48-year-old single mom, working, finishing a doctorate, doing all kind of amazing things like us women do. And I'll be wearing my Good American to my PT. So hang in there with me, and we'll be together all day as I explain why I should become a part of the Good Squad. Peace. So one of the first reasons why I want to become a part of the Good Squad is because I appreciate and love from the very beginning what Good American stands for. Good American stands for women empowerment. Good American stands for women in business. Good American stands for a good American, somebody who cares about America, the world, and just figuring out ways to bring peace and harmony to the world by using fashion that represents strength, fashion that represents forward momentum and movement, fashion that makes women and those wearing the Good American line feel good. I feel great when I'm wearing Good American, as you will see. So I'm headed to physical therapy. I'll be back in with you soon. I'm back. So, one of the wonderful things about my life is that I get to work from home. I get to make my own schedule. Let me get logged in. I work for a major tax corporation. I've been working corporate for 30 years. 30 years. I would say 30 years. God, 30 years ago. Yeah, I started off working for a lawyer. But anyway, this is not a resume. Well, kind of is, but I just wanted to take you along with me on my day. Now that I've been at physical therapy, my health is so extremely important to me, and I will say health at 48 is not the same at even 38. So I'm very high maintenance. I require a lot of therapy and sleep and my diet. Like I haven't eaten today yet. I do a 14-hour intermittent fast every day. Health is a big motivation for me. I guess that's part of being a good American, because I remember when Chloe did that whole weight loss thing on TV and her story of her weight and her battling with weight. And I've had to battle with weight my whole life. I remember being a kid and the first time an adult said something to me about my weight, and I thought it was strange. And didn't really know what weight was. Anyway, it's definitely been a journey for me. I'm still on that journey. I have 50 some odd pounds left. I was at 318 pounds in 2020 and it came all the way down to, I'm about 259. I've been in the 50s all the way down to 253 anyway. Still working very heavily on my weight as a part of my journey, which is another reason why I love shopping with Good American, because I can wear things that suit me. I don't have to dress like a, I don't know, I don't want to put anybody down, but I get to be fashionable, which is something that I very much like. And when I'm working, as you'll see, I'm able to wear my comfortable jeans. Nobody knows what's on the bottom anyway. And I'm able to get to work. So I wanted to share a little bit more about me, about what I love, about how I make, how I would be one of the best Good Squad members ever. And till later. So, peace. Hey Good Squad, I'm back. Just finished doing some work. And I wanted to give you an idea of what my life is like in the evening. In the evening is my me time, my time to once again focus on my health, or to walk my dog, or to engage in some art. So I wanted to share a little bit of my art with you. Here is something that I'm working on right now. Something I'm working on. This is actually a picture of my 2 grandkids. And I'm trying to recreate it. I'm struggling a little bit with a few things. But that's what makes it rewarding and challenging, is the struggle that goes into building this. And really, it doesn't even end up being a struggle. It ends up being me releasing my mind and allowing my spirit to completely take over my body, and things just happen, like this one, which was supposed to be a self-portrait, but it didn't end up being that. So this is just another, or maybe it did, I don't know. But this is just another example of how unique the Good American brand is, and how unique the ideal or the mission or the vision behind it is, that you want to bring your own personal, authentic, wonderful, beautiful self. And that's what it encourages me to do in every way, to feel good, to feel sexy, to feel young, to feel vibrant. I just love Good American. I do. So, till later. Oh, got a little paint on my finger. You guys, Good Squad. I have made it to the end of the day. I probably look exhausted because I am exhausted. I'm outside giving Charlie his end of the day walk, and just had an amazing quality time with another amazing human being. We talked about focusing on self, but Anyway, sorry about the bags under my eyes. I wanted this video and this entire experience to be very authentic and real. I hope that you enjoy the photos. I hope that you enjoy learning about me. I hope that I conveyed to you how well I understand the Good American brand, why I want to be a part of the Good American brand even more than I already am. I will continue to support Good American no matter what decision you make. And I appreciate your time. Time is valuable. Peace, love, and blessings.